Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. This week we've been working on two-digit subtraction. We've talked about why we need to set up our problem vertically and why we need to make our place value chart. Yesterday I gave you the problem 32 take away 14. I told you it was a little bit different than the subtraction problems we've been doing. And I know you girls worked so hard, and I bet you figured out what I meant by that. So I'm going to show you anyway, though, so we can talk about it. As you can see, I've already set it up vertically. 32, take away 14. I have my whole on top since that's what I'm taking away from. And I have my place value picture of only 32. I don't need to put two parts in there because I'm taking away from a whole. So the only number I need in my place value picture chart is my whole. So let's start by looking at our ones. Like I've said before, we always look at our ones. And it says we're doing 2 take away 4. That seems odd. 2 take away 4. I don't know how I can take away 4. What if I did something like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that work? Looks like it works to me. No? Why doesn't that work? Oh, because I treated the tens like the ones. Right now I'm only taking away ones. Okay. Let's get rid of those then. So I'm thinking if I don't have enough ones here, I think what I can do is I can actually regroup. Now, we learned about regrouping last week with addition, but we're going to talk about it today with subtraction. In addition, when you regroup, what you're doing is putting a group of ones together and making them into 110. When you regroup in subtraction, however, you take a 10 and break it into 10 ones. What you're doing is redistributing or moving around your amount. Let me show you what I mean. So I don't have enough ones here to take 4 away. So what I'm going to do, I have 3 tens here. I'm going to take one of my tens and break it up so that I have enough ones to take away 4. I'm going to cross out this 10. This is the 10 I'm going to be breaking up and turning into 10 ones. So I've broken up my 110 into, hold on one moment. I've broken it into 1, 2, oh, it doesn't want to go with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, there we go, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 ones. Thank you for being so patient while I moved all those over. I have these 10 ones that I got from breaking up this 110. So I still have the same amount. I still have 32, but what I've done is I've redistributed or regrouped. I've taken this 110 and broken it up into these 10 ones over here. And what that means is now I have, instead of 2 ones and 3 tens, I have 2 tens and 12 ones. So now I have 12 ones. and I need to take away 4. This is going to be a lot easier. Let's do this. I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. I have 8 ones left now. That makes a lot more sense to me. Now I'm going to look at the 10s I have left. I have 1, 2 10s left. I need to take away 1 10 still. So I'm going to cross it out right now, the 1 10 I'm taking away. So I've taken away 1 10 because I'm taking away 14. I need to take away 1 10. That means I have 1 10 left. So I've taken away my 4 1s and I have 8 1s. I've taken away my 1 10 and I have 1 10. That means 32 minus 14 is 18. So the answer to our problem is 18. So as you can see, I've redistributed. I don't have 3 10s and 2 1s anymore. I have 2 10s and 12 1s. I regrouped or redistributed. And then I subtracted my 14 after moving my 10s and 1s around, after regrouping. And then I was left with 8 1s and 1 10, which is 18. This is tricky. This is something I've always thought was a little tricky to learn. I know you girls are going to do great with it, but I'm going to give you another problem to practice tomorrow. The problem we're going to do is 27 take away 18. Now I haven't set up the 10s and 1s. I haven't set up anything vertical. You're going to do all that when you do 27 take away 18. I know you'll do a great job. Keep going on Zern. Keep working on your packets. And I will solve this with you tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.